In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Discord on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So the thing is that you cannot download Discord on PS5, but there is a way to access Discord on your PS5. So to do it, first press the PS button on your controller, this one. Now go to Game Base. In Game Base, go to chats and open up any chat with your friend, and then you have to message them the bing.com website. After you message them, go on that message, the bing.com message, and press X. Now the web browser will open, and this is the Bing's web browser. So if you want to zoom, you can press R3 to zoom in and L3 to zoom out. Now here, go on the web search bar and search for Discord. Okay, so right here, Discord. You have to search for Discord. Then go on Discord, put your cursor on Discord, press X. Then go to the Discord website and press X. Now here, go to login and press X. Now you can log in and use Discord on your PS5. So now if you want to use Discord on your PS5 and also want to play games at the same time, so press box on your controller. Now you can pin this card to any one of the screen side. So to do that, press the option button on your controller. Now here, go on pin to side. Now you can select which side you want using the arrow keys on your controller, and after selecting, press X. Now here is now you can play games and also use Discord at the same time. So now if you want to remove the card, so you have to press the PS button on your controller 2 times. Now press the option button. Now go on exit pin to side. Now again press the option button on your controller and go on close card and press X. So this is how you can use Discord on your PS5. Thanks for watching.